Hi all, I am Rakesh. Going to show you a demo of how Jenkins pipeline works. So here I will create a pipeline job, and in Git I will update the code as soon as I commit any new code in the Git SCM. Build will be started. Let's see the demo. So for now I have already created a Linux server in AWS environment. So let me take you to Jenkins. So this is my Jenkins dashboard. The first step, we need to create a new job. Click on new item and enter a name. So I put a name. Here we will have to choose pipeline. Click on pipeline, then click over OK. So on build triggers, here you need to choose git hook trigger for git SCM pooling. Okay, choose it. Go down a bit. You can see in pipeline, you can see pipeline script. We can write our script here, otherwise we can do also through git. So for that we will have to choose pipeline script from SCM. SCM is source code management. Okay, click here. You can see what kind of SCM it is showing, so you need to choose as git. After choosing git, you will get URL to be filled for repository. So here we need to put our git URL. Let me take you to git. I am going to the URL for the path this, where I have copied my code inside this file. So I am going to copy the code, copy the URL for this code. I am copying the URL. Otherwise you can copy the URL from here also, it's not a problem. So paste it here. See, now it is showing please enter a git repository. So after copying this URL for the git repository, you will see that red line has been vanished. Go down a bit, as our branch is master, so no need to change anything here. And if it is not git, we might have put here the path, but as we have put already the URL for that git path, so no need to put any path here, only you need to put the file name, and this is Jenkins files. So that's it. Click on apply and save. Let me take you to git. In git we have copied this URL in Jenkins. So now what we need to do, go to setting once, click on setting. You can see webhooks, click here, then add webhook. We need to add a URL in the place of payload URL. Okay, so what should be it? We need to copy the URL of Jenkins along with the port number. Okay, so copy it here. After that we need to write github hyphen webhook. Okay, then go to this content type. What should be the content type? Click over application JSON, application/JSON. Go down. Here you can see for event it has been chosen that just the push event, okay, and it is active, so let it be there. Click over add webhook. It will take some time. If here the symbol is coming as green, then it's good. If it is red, then something is wrong with our configuration. Let me reload this page. Yes, you can see the symbol is green tick mark, so it's good. Let's go to our repository. In this repository we'll have see here, this is Jenkins file, okay. Inside Jenkins file we can put our pipeline script. So right now I have just mentioned some echo command. With the echo command I am trying to print some values like hello world, then build, deploy, testing, releasing. This much line I am going to I am going to print only. The script is not doing anything apart from this, so that's it only. So let me run this script once. After that I will show you after doing any new commit how the build is working automatically. For now I am clicking on build now, okay. See, after clicking on build now you can see job has been triggered, okay. If you click here you can see started by user Rakesh Jena, okay, because the username is Rakesh Jena, you can see here. So this is the revision code, okay. So right now if you go to the console output, you can see here started by the user this, and what are the things it has been done. This is simply doing hello world, then building, and then release, testing, and finish successful, okay. So so now let's see if the build is happening automatically or not. So for that I am going to do some changes with this script in Git, okay. This file name is Jenkins file, and I am going to update something in this Jenkins file. Go to edit option, then let's suppose here I am putting hello world. Some changes I am doing, that's it. Now I am going to commit here. I am going to put the commit message. So we have put some commit message here. Now commit changes, click here, go to Jenkins dashboard. We will see pending in quiet period it will be started. See pending, finished, waiting. So it has already been triggered automatically. I have not touched this. After committing, this has been triggered here, okay. Let's change once more. Go to edit option. Here I am putting something else. I added OM, okay. Just commit it. commit changes. Let's see. You will see a third will be created. Yes, you can see suddenly third job has been triggered. Okay, so like that we can do our deployment when new code come to us, or when a new code committed in the Git, then that package will be deployed. As soon as the package committed in Git, you will find that package will be deployed through Jenkins. Here you can see hello, then build, deploy, test, release. All the steps are mentioned here. So all are successful. For that, let's have a look to the URL, to the console output. Okay, you can see the main point here, started by GitHub push by Rakhjena. So here previously it was showing started by Rakesh Jena, but now it is started by GitHub push. It is showing like that. Okay, so it has been done automatically, not by manually intervention. So you can see here all these steps here. Hello world, welcome. Oh, okay, so then build, for deploy, then testing, releasing, whatever the code written in the pipeline, it is showing, it is just printing that value. So in this way we can configure the pipeline things in Jenkins through GitHub webhooks. That's it, friend. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you.